In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. To start, you can open your Facebook application. It is better you can update your Facebook application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Then you have to select Settings and Privacy. Now you have to open Settings. Then you have to select Account Center. If this option is not available, you have to update your application. Now select Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control. Here select Deactivation or Deletion. Since you are going to deactivate our Facebook account, you have to select Facebook. Now you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. So you don't have to select, just tap Continue to go forward. Then it asks you to re-enter your password. Like this, you can retype your password to verify yourself. Then tap Continue. Here you can select any reason. I will select the very first one. Then scroll down and tap the Continue button. Then you are taking break from Facebook. Here under Reactivate your account is set by default 7 days. So scroll down. Here you have to select Don't Reactivate Automatically option. Then tap Done. Now just tap the Continue button. Again, you can scroll down. Here they have clearly mentioned even though you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger profile still will remain active. So you have to do that thing separately. So if you want to deactivate your Messenger account too, you can click this in the screen video. To deactivate your Facebook account, now just tap Deactivate My Account button. Then you will get this. Your account is now deactivated as well as you will be logged out from your Facebook account. Don't try to log back into your account. Once you log back into, it will be reactivated. That's for today's tutorial. See you on the next one.